Monday, Mandag.
Mandag is the first day of the week. It sounds very similar to Monday, right? Tuesday, tirsdag. Tuesday in Norwegian is tirsdag. The tir sounds like ter. Wednesday, onsdag. This one is a little tricky. It's pronounced onsdag. The D is usually silent. Onsdag. Thursday, torsdag. Thursday's torsdag, and it starts with a tor, like the god Thor. Friday, fredag. This one's fun. Fredag sounds like free day, right before the weekend. Saturday, lördag. Saturday is lördag. It has that soft ö sound. Can you say it? Lördag. Sunday, Søndag. Finally, Sunday is Søndag. Another ö sound, just like lördag. Congratulations! You've learned the names of the weekdays in Norwegian. Let's repeat them all together. Speak with me. Mandag, tirsdag, onsdag, torsdag, fredag, lørdag, søndag. Well done! You're one step closer to speaking Norwegian fluently. What's your favorite or lucky day of the week? Tell me in the comments.